Hey, how's it going, Dave? Thank you for opening this video. My name is Lucas, and this is the video I was telling you about of the three things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start building Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath. As you see, these guys, when you look for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, are the ones taking the first spots over here and over here. And you could be there with no problem by fixing these three things that I'm going to tell you about. You may wonder why I even make this video for you. And this is because I know business owners really busy taking care of their business and their customers, so they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet work for them. And also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not if you don't have the experience. So basically, I like to make these educational videos for business owners and send it to them for free to give back to the community a little bit. And then, so they can have all this information. And a lot of them, what they like to do is take the information and implement it themselves. But some of them, they contact me and they have me doing it for them. Either option is okay with me. I just do this because it's my passion. But if you like what you see in the video and you want me to help you get in there and fixing your website, just let me know and I'll help you with it with no problem. That said, let's jump into the video. I'm going to tell you about the three things that the Google search engine uses to rank a website at the very top here and here. Those are content, backlinks, and citations. Content is basically, as you can probably imagine, everything that is on your website. All the text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and what is behind those pictures. As you see, you have about 200 words, sorry. Google usually likes to see about 2,000 words, okay, of keyword-rich content. You see, for example, Lars Remodel, one of your competitors. We go to the word counter and we paste their website. There you go. You can see that they have about 1,500 words. Also, Miramar Kitchen and Bath as well, a lot of content, okay? So we could fix that really quick, or you could fix that really easy by just adding about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content. Keywords are basically the terms that people are looking online regarding the services that you provide. For example, kitchen remodel, bath remodeling, kitchen remodeling companies in San Diego, etc., etc. You make a research of which terms are the ones that people are looking up the most, and then you drop them several times within those 2,000 words. Second thing is backlinks. Backlinks are basically when another website puts a link that when you click in it, it takes you back over here. Okay? That works kind of like a popularity contest. Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you and giving you those backlinks. That means that you can get a backlink for any kind of website. A website that talks about food, about fashion, but what Google really wants to see, and the ones that are going to give you the real power and trust to be at the very top, are backlinks coming from another companies that are in the same niche. Let's say another remodeling companies and handyman websites, another construction companies. Okay, all that stuff is the ones that you want to go after. To check backlinks, we use a tool called Ahrefs. As you see, when I put your website here, it's telling me that you already have 13 referring domains. This means that is 13 websites out there that somewhere in the website is a link that when you click it, it takes you back over here. As you see, for example, Lars Remodel, over here they have 74, and Miramar Kitchen and Bath, they have 38. How can you beat them? As easy as you go through every single of the referring domains, every single one, and you copy them, because if they're good for them, they're good for you too. So you make a profile on every single one of these websites, and then you drop a link to your place on that profile. Then once you do the same with them, you add some more on top. That way you won't be just matching them, you'll be beating them, and you'll be securing their first spot right here. Third thing is citations. Citations is what gets you here on the map. And this is something that you can do completely for free. Here, all you need to do, as you can probably imagine already, is build more citations than your competition. A citation is basically your business information listed in a directory. Okay, so you want to have as many as possible. Directories are places like Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Yelp, Facebook, White Pages, etc. Okay, it's thousands of them. So what you want to do is check how many citations your main competitor has, and then build at least 100 more. What I would do is, let's say they have 150, I would copy those 150 because, as I said, if they're good for them, they're good for you too. And then add an extra 100 at least. Probably I would go all the way to 300. Okay, 300 total if they have 150. That way you make it really hard for them to ever catch up with you. So let's make a little recap. What you need is 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your website. You need to build a strong, healthy backlink profile that you can do by copying your competition and then adding some more on top of that, and then build at least 100 more citations than your main competitor. With all that, also, I would secure your website. That way, everybody can access it, because if they have like a malware controller or stuff like that, sometimes they don't let you come in websites that are not secure. And that way, you'll be ranking at the top of Google with no problem and in no time. If you're interested in this, I would recommend you to start as soon as possible, because even though it's a quick process, it takes some time. And the sooner you're done, the sooner your phone would be blowing up. Okay? So if you like the video and you want me to help you get in there, just give me a call or send me an email. But if you want to take all this information and put it in action yourself, please do. And if you have any questions during the process, just give me a call and we can talk. Thank you very much for watching. And if you can give me a little bit of feedback, I would really appreciate it, since I make these videos for free and the feedback really means a lot to me. Thank you and have a good day.